How to fix universal credit account access blocked. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply, of course, get into your login page, and then from your login page, now what you're going to do is simply you will be able to see the option of can't sign in. What you're going to do is tap on that can't sign in option right there, and then from there you can simply answer your social security question to receive a password reset link via your email or your SMS, right? Then from there, if security questions fails, then you can try to contact your work coach or call the Universal Credit helpline at their number. And from there, I'm pretty sure that they will be able to help you out. So like I said, on your sign in page, try to simply tap on forgot username or forgot password, and then try to reset your password by simply following all of the given on-screen prompts. Or lastly, you can try to visit a Job Center Plus branch with your photo ID to verify your identity in person and unlock your online journal like that too. So yeah, after doing that, I'm pretty sure that one of these options will help you out fix that universal credit account access being blocked.